Do you know that we are programmed every day by these social medias and everything? They are top engineers, psychologists who work in this company like Meta, YouTube, Snapchat, whatever, and they on purposely make the platform very addictive. They have so many psychology shit going on to make you click or something like this. It's like we are the ant trying to go from one place to another, and these people are like human. They can anytime block the road for ant, and they could change the path of ant. And we like a stupid ant walk, 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 take turn around and everything. Like they have the power. So what I have this counter strategy, which you can disagree or agree to it, is that first of all, let me tell you one thing before giving you my solution. uh, I think this one you will agree that when we growing up, we didn't had a lot of independence. Our parents were monitoring us. Our school system was monitoring us. We were not allowed to drive till 18 or something because that time our physically we are well capable of, mentally we are very strong to take decision. Same way you cannot vote until 18. Women cannot get pregnant or get married before 18 or something like this because they are important decisions. So you need some kind of brain power, physical capability to take those actions. So we are always monitored, and the freedom is only given to us when we are capable of certain things, of taking care of ourselves, not getting addicted or something like this. Even the gambling place or something, there is a age rule. For alcohol there is a age limit or something like this. Basically age limit is nothing but just a proposition to check if we are capable enough to take our decision or not, or being addicted or something like this. So that is the rule for this kind of thing, and it is quite been doing right. If I were given a lot of freedom in my childhood, I would have been a terrible person. Kudos to my parents who restricted a lot of thing on me, and I could only use access those kind of thing when I was really mature and take care of my decision or something of myself as well. So that was a very important thing. So same way as these big websites are programming us, they are the bad guys with a lot of power. Can we have a good guy or a guardian or a parent who is checking on us, like a very smart intelligent AI who we can give our access? First of all, there has to be trusted, right? And we could give access to our life, maybe operating system of our phone or computer or something like this, where they will check us where to open. They will stop us to not to open Instagram too many times, or control check control on our payment system or something like this for certain age or some certain intelligence level, right? They give suggestion what to do next, when to wake up or something like this. Just like a good parent, they are monitoring us. I know I'm against this handling the power to somebody, because that's where colonization came or something like this, right? You cannot trust somebody that easily. Maybe AI has his hidden agenda which will make us walk through. I know that's a extreme case, right? But I want to take risk on that. Or maybe at some point, just like our parents, they will feel like I'm okay, I cannot become addictive. These AI have monitored us so well and made us grow. Like just like you have influence to become bad, like what Instagram does or YouTube does, same way they would have influence to make us strong and not be prone for addictiveness or something like this. Once they make us really mentally strong or something, and then they give access full freedom to enjoy all those kind of thing, then these algorithm who are tuned for making us addictive will not affect us because the antidote has given by the AI. So do you think this will be a good solution? Yeah, I'm only thinking of a scenario where AI could be very trustable. If we could make that trustable AI, I would happy to give my control, because I think I'm one of the best mind, but still I break. I become addicted to this algorithm or something. Think about a lot of young people who are coming this generation. It's very hard to monitor yourself. You see somebody who have left their job. It's very hard to see them in discipline or something like this, because a lot more time we are our worst enemies. So do you think this smarter AI will help us? And once they install those ethics and discipline to us, then they can give us lot more freedom. Do let me know what your opinions on that. I will love to hear that.